Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Tensita Johnson, and today I am here with Aina, who was so nice and cute to be my model today. We are parting her hair in the middle, and she wanted to have some kind of festival hairstyle, but her hair is quite short right now and super thick, so I will show you some special advices and tips how to handle when you want to make boxer braids on extremely thick hair. For the time being, the hair from the right hand side that I won't braid right now, I put into a deep ponytail, and we're going to start to do the braids on the other side. You see, there where is the middle of the neck is my guideline, and I'm using a bunch of gel to keep everything quite together and neatly together. Because her hair is so thick, I didn't want the gel just to be superficial. I just brought it in with my fingers and then ran the comb through. Take a section of hair from the very front, split it into 3 equal strands. Here you see them. And the one that is closer to the part line is for me always the first one that goes under, and then the second stitch from that side is where I start to incorporate some new hair strands. One trick to make sure that the hair you incorporate looks neater is to take the strands from the new hair with the comb. When you see that there are flyaways, baby hairs, just add in some more some more gel at the edges. I do this with a toothbrush, and then I keep on braiding. As I said before, her hair is super thick and even strong to hold in my fingers and hard to hold in my fingers. Even the fingers are strong. This is what I wanted to say. I'm going to use a hair tie after the first third. So here you see more or less a third of the hair is already braided, and then I take these tiny elastics. I also chose black ones that are less seen in her hair, and then I just tie it off. Again, using some more gel around the part line, combing everything good inside of the hair, and then I section the little ponytail that we created into 3 equal strands and keep on braiding like we did it before. So this is a Dutch braid. The outer strand goes always under the middle strand, and here you see already, look, it is hard to bring the hair tie, the little elastic 3 times around her ponytail. Look how thick her hair is. It's amazing, it's impressive. I never braided so thick hair. I do again the same steps, applying more hair gel, especially around the ears, because there you always have baby hairs, and she liked it very neat. So of course I respected that wish, and then I split again the ponytail into 3 equal strands, and then bring 1 strand under the middle strand and then the right strand, incorporating new portions of hair. And like this, I'm going to braid now until I ran out of hair. She was so cute and kind to help me with the hair elastics. And then when I reach the end, I take a thicker and stronger one just to make sure everything is neatly together. On the other side, we did exactly the same, and then I put foam all over. I used this hair cap, it's actually for sleeping, and we were laughing because it always looks funny with this cap. And then I dry all the foam. This makes that the hair stays in place, and look at this. This is the final result, nearly final result, because as she went to a festival, we wanted to add some cute, how do you call this? Cuffs. And we used cuffs and some charms. And you know, I have no or super short fingernails. I cannot open the little tiny rings, so I use my tools. And then we put a little heart on one side and this cute little bow on the other side. Make sure you close well the rings so that they will last and hold inside of your hairstyle. And this is our final result. 2 boxer braids with the little trick that we put hair ties every third down until the neck. And yeah, she was happy. I hope that they last, as we put a lot of effort into that. Hope to see you back soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.